Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we have some exciting news to share about a new crypto initial exchange offering, IEO, and the launch of a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. So, let's dive right in. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, innovation is constant, and new projects are always on the horizon. Today, we're shining a spotlight on a new IEO called Slothana and the launch of a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, aptly named Slothana. So, what exactly is Slothana, and why is it generating so much buzz in the crypto community? Well, Slothana is far more than just another meme coin. It represents a groundbreaking decentralized finance, DeFi, platform built on the Solana blockchain, aiming to revolutionize the way we interact with cryptocurrencies and unlock new possibilities in the world of decentralized finance. At its core, Slothana is a platform designed to democratize access to financial services and empower individuals to take control of their financial future. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology and decentralized networks, Slothana seeks to eliminate the need for traditional intermediaries, such as banks and financial institutions, and provide users with direct access to a wide range of financial products and services. One of the key advantages of Slothana is its choice of the Solana blockchain as its underlying infrastructure. Solana is known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, making it the perfect foundation for projects like Slothana to thrive and innovate. Unlike other blockchains that struggle with scalability issues and high transaction costs, Solana offers near-instantaneous transaction finality and minimal fees, making it ideal for DeFi applications that require fast and efficient transactions. Solana's architecture is designed to scale with the growing demands of the crypto market, ensuring that Slothana can handle a high volume of transactions without experiencing network congestion or slowdowns. This scalability is critical for the long-term success of Slothana, as it enables the platform to accommodate a growing user base and support the expansion of its ecosystem. In addition to its technical advantages, Slothana also stands out for its commitment to community-driven governance and decentralization. Unlike traditional financial institutions that are controlled by a central authority, Slothana operates as a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, allowing users to participate in decision-making processes and shape the future direction of the platform. Through its governance mechanisms, Slothana empowers users to propose and vote on changes to the platform, such as the addition of new features, the allocation of funds, and the implementation of protocol upgrades. This democratic approach to governance ensures that Slothana remains responsive to the needs and preferences of its community, fostering a sense of ownership and accountability among its users. Slothana is more than just a DeFi platform. It's a vibrant ecosystem that fosters innovation and collaboration among its users and developers. From decentralized lending and borrowing to liquidity mining and yield farming, Slothana offers a wide range of financial products and services designed to meet the diverse needs of its users. By providing a platform for developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, DApps, on the Solana blockchain, Slothana is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of DeFi. With its open and permissionless architecture, Slothana encourages experimentation and creativity, allowing developers to explore new ideas and bring them to life without the need for permission or approval. The launch of Slothana marks an exciting milestone for the Solana ecosystem, as it demonstrates the platform's growing popularity and appeal among developers and investors alike. As one of the fastest-growing blockchains in the industry, Solana has quickly emerged as a top choice for building decentralized applications, DApps, and launching new projects. Slothana is set to make its debut on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, today, opening up new opportunities for investors to get involved and participate in its ecosystem. DEXs have become increasingly popular in recent years, offering users a decentralized and censorship-resistant way to trade cryptocurrencies without relying on centralized intermediaries. The listing of Slothana on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, marks a significant milestone for the project and reflects the growing demand for decentralized finance, DeFi, solutions on the Solana blockchain. DEXs have emerged as a popular alternative to centralized exchanges, offering users greater control over their funds and the ability to trade cryptocurrencies in a decentralized and censorship-resistant manner. By listing Slothana on DEXs, the project not only enhances its liquidity and accessibility but also demonstrates its commitment to decentralization and community empowerment. DEXs operate without a central authority, relying instead on smart contracts and decentralized networks to facilitate trade. This ensures greater transparency, security, and trust in the trading process, aligning with the ethos of the crypto community. Slothana's listing on DEXs highlights the growing adoption and popularity of the Solana blockchain as a platform for building decentralized applications, dApps, and launching new projects. Solana's high throughput and low transaction fees make it an attractive choice for developers seeking to build scalable and efficient DeFi solutions. As more projects choose to build on Solana, the ecosystem continues to expand, attracting new users, developers, and investors to the platform. In conclusion, the listing of Slothana on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, is a significant development for the project and the broader crypto market. It not only enhances Slothana's liquidity and accessibility but also reflects the growing demand for decentralized finance solutions on the Solana blockchain. As more investors seek exposure to DeFi assets and meme coins, projects like Slothana are well positioned to capitalize on this trend and capture a larger share of the market. The listing of Slothana on DEXs underscores the growing adoption and popularity of the Solana blockchain as a platform for innovation and growth in the crypto space. That's all for today's video. Until next time.